So today's topic is circulatory system, and in today's topic we will be studying about human circulatory system. But before we start with our topic, let's first understand what is this system about. So we all know that the smallest structural and functional unit of life is a cell. When a group of cells work together to perform a common function, then it becomes a tissue. When a group of similar or dissimilar tissues work together for a common function, they become organ. And when a group of organs, let me repeat, it's group of organs, not similar or dissimilar, they work together to perform a body function, then it becomes an organ system. Circulatory system is one such organ system. Now we will be studying about the components of human circulatory system. The human circulatory system has four major components. The first and the most important one is the heart, then comes the blood vessels and lymphatic system. Let's learn about heart first. The heart is located in thoracic region in chest cavity right between two lungs. It is enveloped by pericardium. It's divided into upper chambers and lower chambers. It has four chambers. The upper chambers are called auricles and the lower chambers are called ventricles. The blood circulates through heart twice to complete one cycle. That's why the circulation is called double circulation. One is systemic circulation and the other is pulmonary circulation. The systemic circulation is the circulation from body to heart from heart to body. This is the systemic circulation. And the pulmonary circulation is from and to heart and lungs. To perform functions, a body requires nutrients and oxygen, and it is transported to and from different organs by a fluid connective tissue which is called blood. Now blood has various components, majorly divided into two parts. The major part is plasma and the solid part is corpuscles. Plasma has 90% water and 10% minerals, whereas the corpuscles is divided into three parts: RBCs, which is also known as erythrocytes, WBCs, which is also called as leukocytes, and platelets. RBCs or erythrocytes are mainly involved in transporting nutrients and minerals to different parts of the body, and they are also required to expel the waste materials from different parts to outside the body. WBCs or leukocytes has 5 types of cells. They are mainly involved in providing immunity to our body. They perform a function called phagocytosis. Platelets or thrombocytes are useful in clotting of blood. Let's learn about blood vessels, the pathways through which the blood travels to and from different parts of the body to heart as well as lungs. Blood vessels in our body is primarily into two types. One is arteries and the other is veins. Arteries are specialized blood vessels which are thick, elastic, and are divided into small blood vessels which are called capillaries. Arteries majorly carries oxygenated blood. Exception is a pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood. Now let's study about veins. Veins are thin, elastic, and are present closer to the surface of the body. So the blood vessels which are visible to us are not arteries, are veins, and they carry mainly deoxygenated blood except umbilical vein and pulmonary vein. These two veins carry oxygenated blood. Last component of the human circulatory system is a lymphatic system. Our body also has another body fluid which is called lymph. Lymph is produced by lymphatic system which comprises of a network of interconnected organs, nodes and ducts. Now let's see what's the difference between blood and lymph. So blood consists of plasma, RBCs, WBCs and platelets, whereas lymph only consists of plasma and leukocytes. Blood is red in color, whereas lymph is colorless. Why? Because it's presence of hemoglobin and RBCs. Here there is no RBC, hence there is no hemoglobin, hence lymph is colorless. Blood's plasma has more proteins, whereas lymph's plasma has fewer proteins and less calcium and phosphorus. Before we finish off this session, let's see the functions of human circulatory system. So human circulatory system helps in transportation of blood, nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide and hormones throughout the body. It protects cells from pathogens. It acts as an interface for cell to cell interaction. The substances present in blood help in repairing the cuts and wounds. In short, it helps in clotting of blood.